Assalamualaikum and greetings to everyone. Today, our group would like to present about our final project titled as Food Ordering System. Before that, I would like to introduce to our group members. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Akil bin Zulkifli. Then we have Nur Amsyah Masyarah binti Muhammad Razi. Next, we have Nur Farah Fatihah binti Muhammad Rizwan. And last but not least, Ain Nur Balkis binti Hamizi. After the in main, we have to declare the array as burger prices with the array size of 4 and the value will be 5, 4, 8 and 7. Next, we will declare double as price, price 2, price 3, order, change and harga. Then, we declare integer as menu, quantity, quantity 2, quantity 3, flavor and another. Then, we declare character, name with the size of 30. Then we have to declare constant integer as sentinel with the value of -1, and finally we declare system color E3 for the custom color of the printed output. Then the program will display the title Welcome to Bakar Burger Restaurant and prompt the user to enter their name within the size of 30. Then we put the label ASD for the display menu for the user to make multiple orders. In the menu, it shows burger, drink and side dish. Then the program will prompt the user to enter their order.
The program begins with a switch-case statement where case 1 is for handling burger order. The user is informed that they can only place one type of burger and confirm their current action of placing an order for a burger. The program then displays the burger menu using the display burger menu function. This function takes an array of burger prices as an argument and displays the burger menu along with their respective prices. Next, the user is prompted to enter the number corresponding to the burger flavor they want. It will check if the entered flavor is valid, and if so, it displays the selected burger flavor and assign the corresponding price from the burger prices array. If the entered flavor is not valid, the program informs the user that the option does not exist and asks them to re-enter the order details. Then use goto function to jump back to label ASD to allow the user to enter the valid option. After that, the program prompts the user to enter the quantity of burger they want. After taking the quantity, the program asks if the user wants to order another item. If the user chooses not to order another, it enters a loop similar to previous program for payment processing. A do-while loop is used for payment processing. The loop calculates the total price based on quantity and prices of the selected item, which is burger. If the user chooses to order another item, the program goes back to the main menu label ASD using the goto statement. It then asks the user to enter the amount they are paying. If the payment is insufficient, the program prompts the user to enter a sufficient amount. If the payment is enough, it calculates the balance and displays it along with the thank you message. The program uses set precision to display prices with 2 decimal places.
This program begins with a switch case structure, and in this part, case 2 is for drinks. If the user chooses drinks, it informs the user that they can only place one type of drink order. It then displays a menu of drinks with corresponding prices. The user is prompted to enter the number corresponding to the drink they want. The program uses cin to take the user input for the chosen drink. Depending on the user choice, it displays the chosen drink and set the price accordingly. The program prompts the user to enter the quantity of the chosen drink. After taking the quantity, The program asks if the user wants to order another drink or not. If the user chooses not to order another drink, it enters a loop that calculates the total price based on the quantities and prices of the selected items. It then asks the user to enter the amount they are paying. If the user enters a sentinel value, the program exits. If the payment is insufficient, the program prompts the user to enter a sufficient amount. If the payment is enough, it calculates the change and displays it along with a thank you message. Then exits the loop and the program. If the user chooses to order another option, the program goes back to the menu label using a go-to statement. The program uses set precision 2 to display prices with 2 decimal places.
Okay, right now I will talk about side dish part. The program will inform the user that they can only order one type of side dish and confirm the current action of placing order for a side dish. The program will display a menu, and the program also presenting a variety of side dish, which is French fries, sandwich, and ice cream with their respective price. Among the choice, the French fries price at 5 ringgit, sandwich at 4 ringgit, and ice cream at 3 ringgit. We also use do while loop. The loop structure is designed to handle the case where the user chooses to order another side dish. The loop will continue execute as long as the condition Y is true. If the loop will not execute, the condition Y is false, and the program will inform the user to start over again. To proceed, the program prompts the user to make their selection by entering the corresponding number executed with their desired side dish. Next, the program receives the user input. The program checks the entered option to determine the selected side dish and set the corresponding price accordingly. The event of invalid choice, an error message is displayed, like option does not exist. The program will guide the user to start over the order, like kindly re-enter your order detail from the beginning.